Okay. Yes, Obi, Savi. So, what did you bought today? Makeup. From where? In the shopping. Okay. So, you bought this makeup from dollar store. And are you going to do open boxing today?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do the unboxing of this. Let's first tell your viewers what are the things are inside in this box. Okay?
Not the box. It is the package.
Okay, package. Okay. Tell me. So what things are inside in this package?
Look, it's cut because this, because this.
Okay, so what are the names of this? This is cut. Okay, and what is this?
Comb.
Comb. And what is this?
And tape.
It's a straightener.
Left.
Okay, and this is clutch.
Left.
And this is
Purse.
purse. And what is this?
Hat.
Yeah, this is beautiful mirror. Yeah, this is another comb, heart shape comb, and this is another stylish comb. Okay, and this is another beautiful clutcher. What is that? Clutch. Okay, and what is this? Jewelry, bangles. Yes. So this is come from which company? Montoy Fashion Beauty Set.
Should I open it?
Yes, let's open it.
Okay. Use the cut.
Use the cut to open it.
Yes.
Okay, let me help you. I don't
Use
need a
the
cut.
finger.
I don't need a cut.
Use the finger.
I can use my. Open it. Open it, Sai. Yay! We open it. So, जब अपने viewers को दिखाओगी, can you show your viewers from closer look? Wow, how this cut works? Show me how this cut works. How this is. Wow. What is that, by the way? Is it?
Cut.
It's not a cut. I don't know how to use this one. I have no idea. I don't know how to use this toy. But Savi got comb. So can you show me how this comb will work? Okay, let's.
It's mine.
This is yours. Okay. Can you show me?
Mine.
Can you show me how this comb works? Show me. Oh, wow. So you can do nice hair stylish with this comb. Okay. And can you show me how to use this one?
Okay.
Show me. Wow. And yeah, can you show me your cut works or not? Wow. Can you cut a paper?
Where?
Can you cut a paper with this?
Where?
Here. Cut this paper. Okay, let's do cut later. Let's do the comb. This one. How to use this one? This is not going to work. No, this is for the small paper. This is not for big papers. Okay, but it works. Like, can you show me how this works? Yeah, this one. Yes. Show me. How do you use this one? Essay. Do we use this? How do we use? Okay. And can you use the straightener? How to use the straightener? Do you know? Wow, it works. Oh my god. Essay. Nice. And now can you show your purse?
No.
Show me.
It's not opening.
It's not opening?
Yes.
Let me help you. Let me try to open it if it's open or not. See.
Open.
Oh, just a minute. Does it open it or not? It should be open. Uh, let us try if we can open this purse or not. Wow, we can open this beautiful purse. See? See? Wow.
Nice.
Nice. We can open this purse and we can keep our stuff inside this purse. Okay? See? Wow. It is so many beautiful. Okay, can you show me how to use this clutcher? Oh. Oh. Wow. You look so beautiful. And what about this clutcher? What about this clutcher? Is it soft now? Is it soft? Okay. Oh, it is okay. Fine. It will work. It will work. It will work. Wow. So Savi looks good in this clutcher, right? It's beautiful. Okay. So we're done with the open boxing. Now say bye bye to your viewers. Say bye bye. अच्छे से हंस के. Smiling. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. See.
Bye.
I want to play with my toys.
I'm gonna play with my toys.
Good job.